I'm Mohammad Sadiq Ryan Mahim. I'm going to show the simulation of the circuit of electrical dies. So these are the apparatus we used for implement the circuit in Multisim. So here we used a 4017 decade counter, 555 timer IC, 3 resistors, 2 capacitors, 1 push button, 6 LEDs, and obviously a battery. So this is the pin diagram for 555 timer IC, and this is for 401 decade counter. So let's go to the simulation. Here, as you can see, the circuit starts with a 555 timer IC, which gives out series of clock pulses. These pulses are depends on the capacitors and the resistors here. And we also connect a push button and also a battery here. And this is the 4017 decade counter. We know that decade counter is also known as mod 10 counter, which is have 10 outputs. So IC4017 decade counter is capable of counting the incoming pulses from the clock pin, and with each increment in clock cycle the high signal output goes to Q0 to Q1. That means during first positive edge, Q0 pin gives the high output, and during the second positive edge, Q1 will gives the high output. So here is the 555 timer IC's output pin, and we connected it to the 14 number pin of decade counter, and we know that 14 number pin is the clock pin of decade counter. So as you can see, as we know that a decade counter has 10 outputs, but for designing for a dice we need only 6 outputs. So what we can do, we used first 6 outputs for and then the seventh output we can short it with the reset pin, so that it will recycle, and after the 6, after Q5 it will again go to Q0, and this will go on. Initially, when the push button is open, then the IC555 timer will be high and static, but when we push this button like this, then and the LEDs will start working. Let me run this. So as you can see, this is open, so no LEDs will glow, but whenever we push this, see the LEDs are glowing randomly, and when we release, then a random LED will light it up and the other will be non-lighted. So this is we get here LED 2, so this LED number will be the dice number for us. So if we can do this again, so we can get 6 now, then 1. So this is how the circuit is works. Thanks for watching.